Hello, my name is Francis Nyakojo. I work with Uganda Christian Lawyers Fraternity at the head office in Kampala. I am the head of access to justice and legal aid. Uganda Christian Lawyers Fraternity is a local NGO based here in Uganda that was incorporated finally into law as an organization in 2005, and then also registered as a legal aid service provider with the Uganda Law Council. So we are licensed to offer legal aid services, but also licensed as a company limited by guarantee. And one of my duties as the head of access to justice is to ensure that there is compliance or statutory compliance. And that means that we are compliant to as a company limited by guarantee, but also as a legal aid service provider with the Law Council. And part of my work involves litigation, and that is litigation at all levels in Uganda, that is from the Supreme Court to the lowest court, in all cases from human rights violations to criminal cases to cases of habeas corpus to civil cases to cases of land and property rights to cases of family and succession rights. So that means that I go to court to litigate for our clients, but also ensure that these clients are taught the law, that is through community legal engagement or legal sensitizations, which will also include engagements with stakeholders like police, like prisons, the military, and all stakeholders that are charged with implementation and enforcement of the law. We teach them on how their duties can align with the human rights values, but also on how they execute their duties. And this also includes means that we also reach out to the local council authorities who deal daily with our clients on the lowest level of their work. But then also we do work with the refugee community and the host communities. We teach them about their rights, about the law and all that. And then also we do mediation, because we believe that perpetrators as well as the victims and those that have been affected by the human rights violations can sit down at the table and discuss and reach an amicable solution. We do plea bargain in the prisons, but also reach out to the prison communities to teach them about their rights. But above all, I do oversight of the Office of Access to Justice and the Office of Litigation. Thank you.